Just now, I show you the construction of the key and lock. Now, I will explain our tool for you. At the beginning, I told you that this tool is our newest version. For the old tool, we can see from the picture, when you use the old tool, when you rotate the tool, sometimes the top of the old tool cannot take the old lock blade. From here we can see. And also on the tool, for the screw, we didn't mark clearly. For the old tool, we plated first and then welded. So sometimes the product will rusted and sticked. So after our research, we upgrade the old tool. This is the new version. From this picture, we can see that every time when you turn the tool will take the lock blade. Very easy. Also, on the product, we can see that now we mark the screw very clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, for our new tool, every part of the pick head made from the stainless, and also the whole pick welded after plating, so it will prevent the pick from rusting. After the research, so our new tool will be very stable and effective. Now, I will operate our new tool for you.